Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to Speak English Daily. Today's episode is super special because we're going to help you practice 100 daily routine English sentences, slowly, clearly, and naturally.
That's right. Whether you're a beginner or just trying to sound more natural in everyday life, this lesson will help you speak English confidently about your daily routine, from morning to night.
We'll go step by step, morning, afternoon, evening, and bedtime, with short, simple sentences you can listen to, repeat, and shadow.
So, let's get started with the morning routine. Take a deep breath, relax, and repeat after us. Morning routine sentences.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I open my eyes and stretch.
I turn off my alarm.
I sit up in bed.
I check my phone for messages.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I dry myself with a towel.
These are basic but very useful sentences. Let's keep going, slowly, naturally.
11. I comb my hair. 12. I get dressed. 13. I make my bed. 14. I drink a glass of water. 15. I go to the kitchen.
You can say this too. I make breakfast for my family. Or, I eat breakfast alone before work.
16. I make a cup of tea. 17. I fry an egg. 18. I eat bread and butter. 19. I check the time. 20. I get ready to leave.
Perfect. Let's move to the going out routine. Leaving home and travel.
21. I put on my shoes. 22. I grab my bag. 23. I lock the door. 24. I go outside. 25. I wait for the bus.
You can also say, I take a taxi, or I drive my car to work.
26. I walk to the bus stop. 27. I listen to music on the way. 28. I watch people passing by. 29. I arrive at the office. 20. I greet my coworkers.
If you're a student, you can say, I arrive at school, or I meet my friends in class.
31. I turn on my computer. 32. I check my emails. 33. I make a to-do list. 34. I start my work. 35. I answer phone calls.
Afternoon routine. Now it's time for the afternoon, the middle of the day when you're busy but still need English.
36. I take a short break. 37. I drink some water. 38. I chat with my colleagues. 39. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. 40. I eat rice and curry.
You can also say, I eat a sandwich and fruit.
41. I check my phone again. 42. I reply to messages. 43. I scroll through social media. 44. I get back to work. 45. I write a report.
If you're at school, you might say, I do my homework, or I write in my notebook.
46. I make a phone call. 47. I attend a meeting. 48. I listen carefully. 49. I take notes. 50. I finish my work.
Great job, everyone! You've already practiced 50 sentences. Let's take a deep breath and move to the evening.
Evening routine. 51. I leave the office. 52. I say goodbye to everyone. 53. I walk to the bus stop. 54. I take the bus home. 55. I enjoy watching the sunset.
You can also say, I listen to a podcast on the way home, or I talk to my friend on the phone.
56. I reach home. 57. I take off my shoes. 58. I wash my hands and face. 59. I sit on the sofa. 60. I relax for a while.
Now let's add some natural English expressions. I'm so tired. I need a break. I'll just sit for 5 minutes.
61. I turn on the TV. 62. I watch my favorite show. 63. I have a cup of tea. 64. I chat with my family. 65. I check what's for dinner.
You can also say, I help my mother in the kitchen. Or, I order food online.
66. I set the table. 67. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. 68. I talk about my day. 69. I laugh with my family. 70. I clean the dishes.
Nighttime routine. Almost there. The day is ending, and now comes your nighttime English.
71. I take a shower before bed. 72. I brush my teeth again. 73. I put on my pajamas. 74. I check my phone one last time. 75. I replied to a few messages.
Or you can say, I read the news online. Or, I scroll through Instagram.
76. I set my alarm for tomorrow. 77. I turn off the lights. 78. I lie down on my bed. 79. I think about my day. 80. I close my eyes.
Let's finish strong with the final 20 sentences. Natural, emotional, and real.
81. I feel thankful for today. 82. I make a plan for tomorrow. 83. I remind myself to stay positive. 84. I check the weather for tomorrow. 85. I keep my phone on silent. 86. I say goodnight to my family. 87. I turn off the fan. 88. I adjust my blanket. 89. I take a deep breath. 90. I fall asleep slowly.
Beautiful. Let's repeat some common English expressions before we wrap up.
91. I wake up early every day. 92. I go to work by bus. 93. I eat lunch with my friends. 94. I come home tired. 95. I spend time with my family. 96. I watch TV before bed. 97. I drink water before sleeping. 98. I plan my next day. 99. I turn off my alarm. 100. I go to sleep with a smile.
Amazing job, everyone. You just practiced 100 daily routine English sentences, step by step, from morning to night.
And the best part? You didn't just listen. You spoke English, you shadowed English, and you thought in English.
That's how real progress happens. Small steps every day. You don't need complicated grammar or big words. You need consistency.
Exactly. If you do this every day for 10 minutes, you'll start speaking English without hesitation.
You'll understand natural phrases like, I'm getting ready, or I'm heading out, without translating in your head.
So, here's your challenge. Pick 5 sentences from today's episode and use them in your real life. Say them when you wake up, when you eat, or when you go to sleep.
And if you want to practice with us again, replay this episode every morning for a week.
You'll see your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence grow naturally.
Thanks for joining us on Speak English Daily.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this with a friend, and come back tomorrow for another real English conversation.
Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English daily.
Bye for now, and remember, your English voice is getting stronger every single day.